Okay students, after question number 2 we are going to do question number 3 of review exercise 13, and the question is, if 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter are the lengths of a triangle. Here the length of three sides of triangle are already given. One side is 13 centimeter, second side is 12 centimeter and the third side is 5 centimeter. Then verify that difference of measure of any two sides of a triangle is less than the measure of the third side. Here we have to verify that if we take the difference of any two sides, the answer will be less than the third remaining side. Is it clear? We have to take the difference. You have to clear the question. You have to take the difference of any two sides and the answer should be lesser than the third remaining side. Is it clear? Now let's see the solution. Question number 3. Here is the question. 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter are the lengths of a triangle. Verify that difference of any two sides of a triangle is less than the measure of the third side. So start the solution. Solution, first of all, we will make the summary, and the summary is, if 13 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter are lengths of the triangle. Here are the three sides of the triangle. Then, star, first case. If I subtract 13 minus 12, if I take the difference of these two sides, it should be lesser than the third side, means it should be lesser than 5. So take the difference. 13 centimeter minus 12 centimeter, it should be lesser than 5. Here 13 minus 12 is equals to 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter is less than 5 centimeter. It is proved. Now take the other side. If I take the difference of this side and this side, 13 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, the answer should be lesser than the remaining side, which is 12. So subtract 13 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, it should be lesser than 12. 13 minus 5 is equals to 8 and 8 is lesser than 12. So again it is verified. Now take the last. If I take the difference between these two sides, 12 and 5, the answer should be lesser than this side. Clear? So 12 centimeter minus 5 centimeter is answer is 7 centimeter and 7 centimeter is lesser than 13 centimeter. So from all these statements, we have verified that difference of any two sides of a triangle is always lesser than the third side. If we take the difference of any two sides, it will be lesser than the third remaining side. Is it clear? It is proved. Okay, after question number 3, we have question number 4. And we are doing review exercise 13. So, the question is, if 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are the lengths of a triangle, then verify that sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. This question is very similar to question number 3. So be careful. In question number 3, it is asking to verify the difference of two sides. And difference is always less than the third side. But in question number 4, it is asking to verify that sum of two sides. And sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Is it clear? So let's see the solution. Here is a solution. I have already written the question. So start the solution. If, again we are making the summary, if 10 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter are the lengths of a triangle, these three are the sides of the triangle, then what we have to do? We have to take sum of two sides. So take sum one by one. First of all, I will add these two. 10 plus 6, it should be greater than this third side. 10 plus 6 is 16 and 16 is greater than 8. Now take the sum of other two. 10 centimeter plus 8 centimeter. This sum should be greater than this one. So 10 plus 8 is equals to 18 and 18 is greater than 6. Verified. Now take the sum of these two sides. 6 plus 8. This sum is greater than 10 centimeter. So 8 centimeter plus 6 centimeter is equals to 14 centimeter, and 14 is greater than 10. From these 3 points you can see that sum of any two sides of triangle is always greater than the third remaining side. Clear? So it is verified. I hope the question is clear to you. You have to keenly observe the question. Either it is asking about the difference or about the sum. So difference is always less than the third side, but sum is always greater than the third side. So please be careful. Okay. After question number 4, we have question number 5 of review exercise 13. This is the last question of our review exercise. And the question is, if 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter are not the lengths of triangle. In this question, we have given 3 values, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter. And it is saying they are not the lengths of the triangle. Give the reason. We have to give the reason why they cannot be the sides of triangle. So let's see the solution. Here is the solution of question number 5. Here is the question. 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 7 centimeter are not the lengths of triangle. Give reason. If you remember, we have studied a key point in chapter number 13 that the sum of any two sides of a triangle should be greater than the third side. So first of all, we will write the statement as sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. This is compulsory for every triangle. For every triangle, the sum of two sides of that triangle should be greater than the third side. So if we add these two values, 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter, the answer is 7 centimeter, which is not greater than the third side. That is why they cannot be the lengths of triangle. Clear? So first of all, we will write the statement as sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. But here 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter is equals to 7 centimeter. Sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. That is why 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 7 centimeter are not the lengths of a triangle. Clear? The sum of two sides should always be greater than the third one. Here the condition is not satisfied. That is why they cannot be the sides of a triangle. With this, our chapter number 13 has been completed. I hope this chapter is very much clear to you.